Hello, new school Beyblade here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of ReaperRhino C455D dot. But yeah, I got this guy today, Hasbro exclusive. Let's get into it, shall we? Shit. Keep the box in order. Yeah. Okay. There. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. A light launcher. Don't really need that. Instructions. And let's get this. Okay. Really have to get this guy. There's that gorgeous blue ice blue Reaper and this new piece. QR code and Rhino. There he is. This was actually the second prize bay for Reaper. Try with the Reaper prize bay. Hell's Reaper. But yeah. 455 for the ice. Yeah, the tip. Shit. But yeah, there you go. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.